Hi, I'm Adam and welcome to the garden. And in our video today, we're going to concentrate on 5 different salads you can grow at home to enjoy in the summer. In this video, we're going to grow spinach, radish, lettuce, spring onions and pea shoots. I won't be looking at how to sow each of these plants individually. If you would like to know how to sow seeds, please refer to my how to sow seeds video that I did earlier on. However, these seeds are all seeds that can be grown between March and September easily at home. As I've said in previous videos, you don't need proper garden equipment or pots such as these to grow seeds successfully at home. You can use plenty of other alternatives like this toilet roll tube or an old can to grow seeds just as successfully. But what's so special about growing salad seeds and why is it important? Well, salads is one of those food items we all seem to buy in the supermarket for our summer lunches. However, it's one of those food items as well that tends to get ruined or spoiled within a short period of time because obviously these items don't last long. But by growing these items at home, we can actually ensure that we have a continuous prolonged crop of fresh salad, but also that we reduce our food waste. Spring onions are a fantastic crop to grow in the garden. One of the best things about them is they have a long cropping season. So for example, if you planted them now, they take about 10 weeks to mature, but actually you can leave those crops in the garden for a long period of time, even into the winter, well into the winter, and they'll still provide you with fresh food over the duration of the season. Spinach as well is one of those crops that's very versatile. You've got the small spinach leaves, the baby spinach, that can be used in a salad. But you've also got the fully grown mature spinach, which is fantastic for stews, curries and all kinds of warm, cosy winter meals. And it also is hardy and stays in the garden during the winter when we don't have much of options in terms of fresh fruit from the garden. Lettuce is also a fantastic versatile crop to grow in the garden. It's one of our staples within a salad, but also comes in so many different colours and varieties. Now, one of the favourite varieties that I like to grow is cut and come again lettuce, which is a French salad variety where you cut the leaves as they grow and then they regrow, so you have a continuous supply of salad lettuce leaves during the season. And one tip is to consider sowing them in intervals. So if you sow them for a fortnight and leave a fortnight between them, you'll have a continuous healthy crop of lettuce over a long duration of time. Lettuce, unfortunately, isn't as hardy as spinach, so you won't have many leaves during the winter seasons, but then again, you can enjoy it when it's at its prime during the summer months. I also love growing radish. Now, radish comes in all kinds of colours and shapes and sizes. It has a bit of a crunch to a salad, but it also grows quickly. So if you wanted to grow something, for example, with children to maintain their interest in the garden, you won't get far better than radish because of its quick growing nature. And you have a crop within 3 to 4 weeks, which again is fantastic during those early summer months when salads are something we start to feel the need to have in the kitchen. And my all-time favourite is the pea shoots. Now, these are pea shoots that I've grown from dry peas in the kitchen cupboard. So if you've got some dry stored peas at home, why not put them into a tray or a container and grow them along to see how they grow? Because with pea shoots, they have small shoots like this, which produce a lovely nutty pea flavour and are a fantastic substitute again to salads early on in the season. So those are my top 5 favourite salad crops to grow in the garden. They're so rewarding and they provide fresh, healthy salad over the summer months. And I strongly encourage you to go out and grow some of these salads for yourselves. Tan y tro nesa, hwyl am y tro.